And we're back to learning Inkscape in a year, day 4. Let me show you the autosave function. You find it under Edit, Preferences. And then you have to open Input, Output. So it's a drop down and there you can see autosave. Most important is here to enable the autosave by checking the box. You can set a directory and then set an interval. 10 should be the default if I'm not mistaken. When you work on something more complex, you might want to go down. So in case Inkscape crashes, you haven't lost that many steps, but it's going to override at some point the old autosaves, and that's defined by the maximum number of autosaves. So if you make that 1 minute and you have it set to 50, after 50 minutes it will override the old ones. But again, most important here is to check the box so that it's enabled. And this is how you can set the autosave in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.